It is 87 degrees in here with 43% humidity. There's no breeze at all coming through. It is just hot. I put my mask on, I just sweat like crazy. And I end up having to take it off because my face gets all wet. So, those are the details. Those are the important details of all this, you know. All this that I've done. Okay, so let me move my buckets. Sit down here. And I forgot to put my contacts in today too, so I'm wearing my glasses. Oh, yeah, let's let my nice clean water bottle roll in the Yuck. Okay, I know it's screwed on back here. No, it isn't. That board's screwed on. Okay, so we're just going to rip off this thing. Oh, don't even have to. What's under here? Rip off the board and put myself in the way so y'all can't see what I'm doing, right? Okay, gotta lean over. Yeah, okay. Hit it from underneath over here. Ouch! Meaner. Okay, we've got one corner. Bottom is my drawer brackets are right there, and this bucket is in my way too. Okay, let's see if we can get it. This side's got it. Wow, that should have gotten it. It's still hanging on. Okay, why are we still hanging on? Huh. Oh, gee. Sometimes I don't have the tools I need. There's a certain tool I need to be able to pry under there and get it from the holding board underneath, and I don't have anything that'll do that. Ah, okay, good. Whew, got it. Whew. Let's see if we can get it out. Okay, so as fate has it, I ran out of battery on the camera. So it's down to the cell phone now. I've got to find this selfie stick part so I can use this cell phone on the tripod. Anyhow, I just hammered and hammered really hard until I got it to pop up. To pull it out, I have to unscrew these screws, and I think maybe it'll come out. Oh, good. I was afraid my screwdriver wouldn't reach. I hate stripping screws. Boy, I'll tell you what, this renovation is turning out to be a really big project, isn't it? But as I go along, you know, as the money comes in, I buy things. And I found a couple of really cool things. Of course, I've been buying cleaning supplies like crazy, but those I get at the 99-cent store or the Dollar Tree. Okay, that's out. Okay, let's see if... We'll call this the motherboard. Let's see if the motherboard will come out now. Oh, yeah. Okay, that's all attached to that one piece. Are we still attached somewhere? Okay, I didn't know the camera fell down. My tripod didn't work. So, I managed to get this unscrewed. Top screw is not coming out, but that's okay because the board still slid sideways for me. And that's all I really needed it to do. So that I can just... Yeah, so I can easily pull this out, right? Oh, plumbing is in the way. Rotten plumbing is in the way to that. Jeez. Come on, let me have it, please. Okay, I'll put the phone down so I can just really grab this and get it out. Alrighty then. So there is the nasty shelf, which I will get a new piece of wood and replace. And then clean up these really good, or that looks like it has some black mold on it. So I might just have to rebuild this frame, which won't be that bad. So now we can really get into here and see what our real issues are, which is good. There is some mold on the bottom of there, which I think I can just clean up really well, because I really can't tear that apart. And it's only on the bottom. That's just spider webs, ickies. And then of course my plumbing to my shower, I can inspect too. It's right there. That's pretty neat. So before, whew, boy, I'll tell you what. Before I put anything back together, I'm going to have to do a test. But this is definitely going to get replaced, this elbow. That's definitely a replaced part. So, okay, well, we got that out. We got this out. I'll set this aside because I kind of need it. I can put it in my shower for now, I think, just to store it. And then I'll get my measurements off of it and build a new frame. Okay, look at that wall right there. It just pulled right out. I was going to cut the bottom of it, but then I thought, you know, I really need to see what's going on inside of here. So I'll just save that and use it for a template to cut a new one. But, yeah, you can see a little bit of water down along there. Not much, just a little bit. So I cleaned the back wall. Guess what we're going to do next? I'm really getting tired. I should call it quits for the day. But there's one thing I really, really, really want to get done. And that is this toilet.